Hello students, welcome to accounts classes. Dear students, we have already finished going concern concept and consistency concept, and the next is accrual concept. Dear students, accrual concept. In accounting, accrual basis is used for recording of transactions. It provides more appropriate information about the performance of business enterprise as compared to cash basis. बेटा accrual basis का मतलब होता है the moment transaction has taken place, whether cash is received or not. Accrual concepts applies equally in revenues and expenses. In accrual concept, revenue is recorded when sales are made or services are rendered, and it is immaterial whether cash is received or not. Similarly, according to this concept, expenses are recorded in the accounting period in which they assist in earning the revenue, whether cash is paid for them or not. I can cite one example. अब बेटा जैसे मेरा अकाउंटिंग ईयर 1 अप्रैल 2015 से 31 मार्च 2016 है. अब मैंने क्या किया बेटा, 10,000 का गुड्स परचेज किया राम से, क्रेडिट परचेज राम से. ऑन 26 मार्च हमने क्रेडिट परचेज किया. किससे परचेज किया? राम से. तो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ परचेज कब हो गया बेटा? 26 को. अब 3 अप्रैल 2016 हमने पेमेंट कर दी. अब आप देखो बेटा, हमारी क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन 26 मार्च को हुई है और पेमेंट हमने 3 अप्रैल को किया है. तो ये 3 अप्रैल बेटा मेरा नेक्स्ट अकाउंटिंग ईयर में आएगा. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू एक्रूअल कॉन्सेप्ट, व्हेन एंट्री विल बी मेड ऑन 26 मार्च और 3 अप्रैल. सो सी हियर, accrual means a transaction is recorded in books when it takes place and not when the settlement takes place. अब बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में transactions has taken place on 26 March and settlement कब होगा? 3 अप्रैल. So recording on 26 March, not on 3 April. तो accrual concept इसी को बोलते हैं. So dear students, on the basis of concepts we have already discussed going concern, accrual concepts and consistency concept, and now we have another points, accounting conventions. Conventions का मीनिंग मैंने आपको बता दिया बेटा. concepts और conventions का मतलब traditions, rules. उसमें पहला बेटा कॉन्सेप्ट है बिजनेस एंटिटी कॉन्सेप्ट और सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी. अकाउंटिंग एंटिटी कॉन्सेप्ट और सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी. बेटा डे 1 हमने डिस्कस किया था कि बिजनेस एंड ओनर्स बोथ आर टू डिफरेंट एंड डिस्टिंक्ट टू ईच अदर. अगर ओनर ने 10,000 या 1 लाख कैपिटल बिजनेस में लगाया है तो ओनर इज और बिजनेस ओनर इज, बिजनेस की लाइबिलिटीज 10,000 है टूवर्ड्स ओनर. बिजनेस एंड ओनर आर टू डिफरेंट एंटिटी. Business units should have a completely separate set of books, and we have to record business transactions from firm's point of view and not from the point of view of the proprietor or businessman. The proprietor is treated as a creditor of the business to the extent of capital invested by him in the business. अगर राम ने 1 लाख रुपए बिजनेस में लगाया तो राम बिजनेस के लिए क्रेडिटर है to the extent of 1 lakh rupees. Because of the concept of separate entity, the proprietor's house, his personal investment in securities, his personal car, and personal income and expenditure are kept separate from the accounts of the business entity. I can cite one example. Some years back, ABCL, Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Private Limited, it got insolvent. अब बेटा सब लोग इस कंफ्यूजन में थे कि अब अमिताभ बच्चन का क्या होगा. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अमिताभ बच्चन एंड अमिताभ बच्चन प्राइवेट कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड both are two different and distinct to each other. उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन की कंपनी इंसॉल्वेंट हुई थी, अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं हुआ था। सेकंड पॉइंट बेटा, मनी मेजरमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. Once again, this is also very, very important. Only those transactions and events are recorded in accounting which are capable of being expressed in terms of money. An event, even though it may be very important for the business, will not be recorded in the books of account unless its effect can be measured in terms of money. With a fair degree of accuracy, to make accounting records relevant, simple, understandable and homogeneous, they are expressed in a common unit of measurement, that is money. So according to money measurement concept, any transactions which can be measured in terms of money will find place in books of account, and any transactions, howsoever important may be, if it is not recorded in the books of account, if it is not measured in terms of money, it would not be recorded in the books of account. Thank you.